In a kitchen aglow with mystical light, the great cat wizard Merlin stood poised. His paws, nimble and sure, were ready to conjure a culinary masterpiece. With a flick of his whiskers, he sent stardust pepper and moonbeam milk soaring through the air, levitating them gracefully into a bubbling cauldron. A vibrant swirl of sparkling, colorful light erupted from the pot as the magical ingredients danced and melded together. Behold, the finished creation. A shimmering, delicious soup, glowing with an enchanting, otherworldly energy, a testament to Merlin's magical skill.